Hello, this is Jane Goodall, and goodness, I really wish that I could be taking part in this conference. My schedule is completely crazy. I'm also sorry that this message is late. I just hope it's in time to reach you. But the subject of animal intelligence is so absolutely fascinating. And of course, as all of you probably remember, it was when I went to Cambridge University in the early 60s, I was told that animals didn't have minds that could solve problems and that we humans were completely unique. So, as I'd had a wonderful teacher when I was a child, I was able to stand up to those professors, which was pretty brave of me because I hadn't even been to college, and there I was doing a PhD, and this was my childhood teacher, Rusty. And as all of you know, of course animals are intelligent, but it was this observation made in 1960 that really started shaking up the way scientists believe. It was thought that only humans could use and make tools, and now we know it's not just chimpanzees and other primates, but it's also birds, those very clever crows and parrots, and now a whole flurry of interest about the octopus. It's a really fascinating field. One of the big problems with captive animals is to try and solve boredom. And I think that the way technology is used today, some of that can be very, very helpful in enriching the environment of captive chimpanzees. I've seen it used. And Tetsoro's chimpanzees, Ai and Ayumu, they just love the opportunity to work with a computer, and they'll even do it for no reward. So I hope that you have a fabulous conference. I'm really looking forward to seeing some of the results. And again, I wish I could be with you, but I'm thinking about you. Have a great sharing of information and give each other new ideas and have a great time. Bye.